I have no fucking business being out here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I decided today was a good day to come to the track. I don't know why. I've never been on a track before. In fact, it's mostly just brutalizing. It kind of hurts. And as you guys know, I'm not much of a high flyer. Ugh, I am a high crasher though. Woo! I've never been on a track before in my life, so this is a new experience. Oh, that jump is bad. Yeah, right. Can't clear these doubles. This is utterly exhausting. Billy. I'm out here with Graham today. He's over here somewhere. He's never been on a track either. We're both track noobs. And I gotta say, man, it's a lot of work. I apologize in advance if I'm not doing a whole lot of talking, because this is exhausting. So we'll probably just do a music montage and call it good. This is a lot of work. Two laps and you break a sweat. See what I mean? Like, you can't time this shit out. You're just like, ugh. You're just a victim to the fucking hills. I agree. Like, this short little shit's just like, ugh. I'm getting it down a little bit more, but I still can't clear any of these doubles. Well, Graham and I are gonna have ourselves a little bit of a race. Not on the track, because, you know, we suck, but across the grass. Although, I think we know where this is going. The SXF is definitely faster than the XCF, and it's newer, and it's fuel injected, and he's a smaller rider, and he's better, and we know how this is gonna go, but that's okay. So we're just gonna race right to the jump, right? Hit it full throttle?
Yeah, I don't know, we'll know who wins.
Alright. Okay. Oh, that was pretty even, actually. Oh boy. Whoa. Overshot. And then my sleeves magically disappeared.
Turn that jump that way?
What's that?
Turn that jump that way?
I don't know. Look at that fucking jump. I can't clear jump the regular way, let alone backwards. Oh my god, those whoops are... Oh, going too fast. Fucking A, man, the track just sucks. Jeez, every time. I got a face full of gravel there. Okay, so hard on that. Oh, he lost me on the whoops. Oh, you killed me. You lost me really bad on the whoops. I came into those so badly.
I thought I was gonna hear you like.
No, I came into them so badly off that second jump. Like I hit like dead flat and then bounced onto the next fucking whoop and it was all over. Yeah, I just watched you walk away. I was like, fuck.
There's a couple doubles in there I should have been doing.
It was fun though. Alright, if you liked that video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Be sure to swing over to Graham's channel, Bad Company Motorcycling. Links always in the description. And until next time, I'm Ulrich27. Peace.